Lift up your head to the rising sun, Bahamian. March on to glory, your bright banners waving high. See how the world marks the manner of your bearing. Pledge to excel through love and unity, pressing onward, march together to a common loftier goal. Steady sunward, though the weather hide the wide and treacherous shore. Lift up your head to the rising sun, Bahamian, till the road you've trod lead unto your God. March on, Bahamian.
I pledge my allegiance to the flag and to the Commonwealth of the Bahamas, for which it stands, one people, united in love and service.
Hello, and thank you for watching our International and Proudly Bahamian Grade 10 Oregon and Boroughs Assembly.
We hope you enjoy us talking about our experience of representing our country and talking about some of the many international heroes of the Bahamas. In World Scholars Cup, me and my friend Jason Cates entered thinking that everything would go fine. Well, this was the case, except for at the beginning, when we had a few hiccups with not being able to get our badges because we accidentally didn't get signed up, which all got resolved because we worked together with the team and tried to figure out how to get what we deserve. We overcame challenges with team cooperation by finding out our own strengths and weaknesses through debates and through writing. We had fun while learning, which is quite difficult to do, as most students may know. We entered the talent show with me playing the electric guitar and Jason drinking water, which will be shown in a minute. And we had gotten alpacas, and we got memories that we will never forget and a renewed strive for learning.
What's happened? I'm gonna drink some water.
Yeah, Jason.
You told me you were going to drink it fast. No, I didn't. I said I was going to drink water.
Jason!
Wait, why are you moving the guitar? What is going on? Isn't this Jack's guitar? Jack, where are you? Is that your guitar?
Yeah.
Do you know what's happening?
Yeah.
Okay, you know what? You hid water in the guitar case? Okay. I feel deceived.
Hey Julia, is that you? Hey Gabby, it is! Remember that time we went to World Scholars Cup? Oh yes, we were international yet proudly Bahamian. Wait, why do you say that? Well, Julia, we were competing against other Bahamian schools, but the topics were internationally diverse. Yes, and the directors were also not Bahamian, so we had the opportunity to enrich them in our own cultures. And in addition to that, St. Andrews was one of the few international schools participating, so we could evaluate the contrasting elements between international schools in the Bahamas and Bahamian schools. All of these aspects made the experience so enjoyable and helped us to remember that we are international yet proudly Bahamian.
World Scholars Cup. This was our very first time participating in World Scholars Cup, and it was undoubtedly an outstanding experience.
Not only did we get a chance to work on our public speaking skills, we also got a hands-on experience with debating with other people.
Although the debating was especially interesting, another great part of this experience was the talent show.
Watching everyone with their amazing talents was especially enjoyable.
Listening to people sing or even show off their stunning dance talents was something that we won't ever forget.
Overall, the best part of the experience would have to be receiving our alpacas.
They will allow us to continue to remember this extravagant experience.
The Global Round at the World Scholars Cup was hosted in Barcelona, Spain in 2018. My teammates and I went to Spain and we were able to compete with other teams throughout debate, general knowledge, and talent shows. World Scholars Cup Global Round allowed us to see and explore a new country, making us international yet proudly Bahamian.
Having the opportunity and the knowledge on how to be an international scholar is one of the gifts that I'm most grateful for. Bahamian culture has taught me how to have a strong community, and being Bahamian while having international family and friends has allowed me to feel safe and confident in the knowledge that I have the world at my fingertips. Participating in international events has taught me how to be globally minded and gave me the knowledge that I can make a positive impact while having fun anywhere.
Last year, a group of students from grade 9 to 11 went to Boston in late January for Harvard Model United Nations. My group were a part of the Committee on Science and Technology for Development, where we discussed the use of stem cells and their controversy from the view of Cuba.
I was in the Committee of Nuclear Technology where we initially discussed and debated about nuclear advancements. We met, traded, and debated against people from all around the world. I still communicate with them today.
It involved debates where we were required to state our country's view on the topics and talking to other countries in breaks to gain their collaboration.
Besides the meetings, we toured Boston and had a blast with the cultural festival. You can have a glimpse of each culture in the world from food, music, and traditions. Each booth had totally different cultures within a couple feet away. I received many gifts and had front row seats to every performance.
On July 1st through 5th, 2019, a group of dancers from the Just Dance Bahamas company competed in the StarQuest World Finals Dance Competition at the Disney Resort in Orlando, Florida. Us dancers were given the opportunity to participate in master classes of different styles and were exposed to the professional dance world. A few students from the Just Dance Bahamas company qualified for scholarships to AMDA, the American Musical and Drama Academy. The junior company competed with 3 routines: jazz, hip-hop, and tap, which came 1st, 4th, and 8th respectively. The senior company competed with 5 routines: hip-hop, contemporary, tap, jazz, and lyrical, which took 1st through 4th respectively. The junior company jazz routine and the senior company lyrical routine both qualified for the Quest for the Best dance-off.
Thank you for giving us your undivided attention during the international experiences portion of our presentation. I hope you enjoy our national heroes portion of the presentation. Thank you for giving us your undivided attention during this presentation. Hope you guys have a fantastic day.